Meghalaya, where clouds reside. The approach road from Guwahati in a time post the rainy season will make you mesmerized with all green all around and the clouds hanging from the sky. Well, it is their home, so they are all set to welcome you. The road to Shillong from Guwahati is fantastic with smooth traffic. So you get to click a series of photographs of the road, of the hills, and of the vast sky and clouds. Just before the Umium Lake viewpoint, I took a right turn to go to the other side of the lake where my stay was planned for the night. The bright sunset by the lake was the additional gift. The other side of the Umium Lake is a different beauty, with the long trees covering the sky and the sound of jungle, along with a low-lit road, would make one feel adventurous and mysterious in this environment. Rainham Resort, my shelter for the night. A well-equipped property with well-maintained cottages, along with a nice garden and a beautiful pool on the top. With a very scenic ambience. A lazy afternoon spent well welcoming a mystical moonlit night. The next morning was rainy, and with the music poured by the sound of rains on the slopy roof of the cottages, the duration of sleep was a bit long. However, the weather started getting clear soon, and we could set out for the day. view of the Umium lake from the famous viewpoint by the road approaching the Shillong town. We took the road to Cherrapunji after that and soon found ourselves amid the uniquely beautiful landscape of Meghalaya. Roads, hills, plateau, long trees, meadows, and clouds hovering. Mokdok Dimpep viewpoint. Janailar waterfall from a distance. Then entering a mini hiking trail to the mighty Mosaba waterfall. It is one of the rarest visited but most eye-catching waterfall, and with the full monsoon past, very much wavy and watery. The low falling trail from a mighty rock with a good horizontal spread has given birth to a bowl-shaped water body, where one can enjoy swimming and bathing in natural pool. The plains of Bangladesh as seen from Sohra, with the picturesque Meghalayan meadows in vicinity. We reached the Waisodong waterfall, where you have to go down by stairs to reach a distant viewpoint. Soon we were able to witness this awesome beauty of nature. A three-step waterfall with pools created after every cascade, a hidden gem of the Meghalayan hills. One can go further down to catch a zoomed-in view of the same, but however, the route was closed temporarily after the rains. Next on the way was the Denthlane waterfall, which one has to see from the top of it. I must say, this is a unique angle to capture view of a waterfall. Approaching closer to it to have a better and yet dangerous view of the fall. And then the path of return amid the meadows and vast green field, which are just unique of Meghalaya, making it compared to Scotland. The flat-headed plateau, the deep canyons and valleys, and the awesome greeneries. You would not like to say goodbye so soon, I bet. So do come again to be lost in nature. Meghalaya, where clouds reside.